How to return Amazon items. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from Map Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can return Amazon items that you ordered, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if your item is eligible for a return, you can start the return process by signing into your account on the Amazon website, then clicking on the returns and orders in the top right corner. On the Amazon shopping mobile app, click the three horizontal lines, and then you will be taken to a page that displays all your past orders. On a computer, click the return or replace items button to the right of the order. Once you do that, and on the next screen, just check the box to the items you want to return. Choose a response in the drop down under why are you returning this. Depending upon which return reason you choose, you may be required to enter additional information in a text box that appears. And after you do so, hit the yellow continue button, and on the next screen you may be given the option to exchange your item for another, or the option to have cash refunded to you directly. Make your choice, then hit the yellow continue button. You'll be prompted to print a return label. You'll also need to choose whether you want to drop your repackaged return at a UPS location or schedule a pickup. Note that UPS pickups are free if the error was Amazon's, but these will have an added cost if the error was yours. And that's all it takes to return Amazon items. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.